In this video, you will learn how to fix professional mode option not showing in your Facebook account. So let's go. So first open Facebook in your mobile phone. Now tap on the three line upper right side. Click on your profile. Now tap on the three dot. Now scroll down, copy profile link. Now go back, tap on help and support. Now tap on report a problem. Click on report problem. Now click on profile. Now paste your Facebook profile link and write about your problem. And then tap on the send button. In 24-hour Facebook team fix your problem easily. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.